Today, I like to illustrate how to find the market turns in any market. Today, we're looking at the micro, and I have the NQ up here. We'll take a look at the micro first. Okay. Now, the market would be like a seed that you plant. 1 week later, you'll see a little growth, maybe a month, two, a little bit higher, maybe a year. You may get fruit. You may have a entirely grown up tree. The market works the same way. Okay, it all begins on the molecular level. Now, looking at the micro here, what you need to do, okay, you need to use the fractal time frames, i.e., all the different numbers here. Okay, generally I start with 1 minute and I go all the way down to the daily, weekly time frame. Okay, on every time frame, you're going to find a fractal at times, not always. That's why you have to go and swing to another time frame. So, on the micro here, we have a typical slider, a 5 hour decaying top here. Okay, here's the top up here, 69. The bottom here at 19. All right. Now, well, that happened on Friday. Okay. Let's go back to maybe the beginning. Now, you can do this on a 1 minute time frame here too. Okay. If you don't detect the fractal, you have chaos until you find another time frame that will exhibit a turn for you. Okay. Now, we're going to go down to the 5 minute time frame. Okay. Actually, we don't have anything. And then we go to the 10-minute time frame. We actually don't have anything there. We go to the 15-minute time frame. Nothing there yet. We'll go to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, nothing there yet. We'll go to the 1 hour time frame. What do we have here? Okay, we have a typical slider bottom. That means we have growth. The trend is going to be up until if the fractal begins to decay and decline around 22, the trend will change going down. So when you see that happen, that's when you enter the trade and you put your stop up here at the highest level, and then you take the ride down. Okay, now that's on the 1 hour time frame. If we go to the 2 hour time frame, nothing really there. Again, we're looking for similarities, okay, not exact patterns. All right, and what do we have here on a 3 hour time frame? We have a typical decaying fractal top, okay, and we have a bottom here. We tested the bottom, and if we go below 24, the trend will be down. All right, so we're finding fractals on different time frames. That is probably the best one. The 5 hour time frame. What do we have here? We have a decaying fractal top here. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. We go above the top, the trend is higher. We go below the bottom, the trend will be lower. Okay, so all we're doing right now, we're looking at typical fractals called a slider to find the directions of the market. All right, now we did that on the 6 or micro, and I think it was the okay. That that is all almost perfect. You have an equal leg, a little bump, boom. You wait for the lag, enter, you stop there, and take the ride down. Okay, now that's on the NQ. Can we do this on other liquid markets? I believe we can. Okay, we're looking at the NQ. Now, on the NQ, the 3 hour time frame, we have a typical decaying fractal here. It is nested, meaning it's within another fractal, right? But this one here, okay, you got the top here, 40, okay, hold on, that's a big number. Okay, you get the top here, and you got the bottom here, all right? Um, let's take a look at some other time frames here. Okay, a 3 minute time frame, day traders, you can do this all day long. The idea is to wait for that perfect fractal to appear, and then you take action. Now, over here we have a typical decaying fractal top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's the top, here's the bottom. That's on the 5 minute time frame. You want to find another fractal? Let's go to 10 minute time frame. Nothing really there. Okay, and we'll go to maybe 15 minute time frame. Do we have anything there? We sure did. I think we did the trade here. We have a typical decaying or growth fractal that ended right here. Okay, and the top of the fractal is right here on a 15 minute time frame. Okay, we break this level here. That's the bottom. The trend will continue to go down. Look what happened. Okay, so the idea here today would be to use the time frames to find your fractals. And the more you do the charts every week, every day, every hour, you'll discover new fractals. Okay. Now let's go maybe 2 hour. Okay, we don't have anything really there. The beauty of the fractals, if you don't find anything on a particular market, you can always move to another market. So you have a trade practically every day. All right. And the important thing is to go to the different time frames to find fractals on any market. When you see a fractal, that's when the market turns. Okay. This one looks really good. Okay. Now the time to enter there would be after it breaks. Okay. Then you put your stop there and take the ride down. Can't do anything here right now unless we break the bottom of the fractal here. That means we go down. We go above the fractal here. We're going up. Okay. So you have to look at all the markets and all the time frames, and you need to set up a grid like I have here. You customize it, and you put all the time frames from 1 minute to all the way to the daily time frame and weekly time frame and monthly time frame. Okay, you can literally map the market by looking at time frames and detecting the different fractal patterns that appear. Okay, now the fractals are only similar, they're not exact. Okay, it takes a little time to kind of discover the typical fractals here. Ideally, this is a really good year. Okay, but again, we can't do anything. Okay, so you would have to wait until another fractal appears here. And that is all I want to say today. You need the fractal timescale. Okay. Thank you, Nikki. Signing off.